Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have the right role to stop recording. Organizers and designated presenters can stop it. Once confirmed, open the active Teams meeting window and move your cursor to the meeting toolbar at the top or bottom of the screen. Make sure to locate the More Actions button labeled with 3 dots. This menu contains the recording control. If the toolbar is hidden, hover to reveal it. Acting now prevents unnecessary extra footage being captured. Click More Actions and select Stop Recording promptly. This sends the stop command to the meeting service. Once done, watch for a confirmation banner that the recording has ceased. Teams displays this to all participants. Make sure to also stop live transcription if active, because transcripts may continue. If your organization uses cloud recording, give the service a few minutes to finalize and upload the file so you can share or download it later. After stopping, verify the recording appears in the meeting chat or the designated cloud location. That confirms the process completed. If the recording keeps running, revoke presenter permissions from other users or, if necessary, end the meeting to force stop. Once done, make sure participants know where the file is saved. If the file never appears, check your network and sign out and back into Teams. These steps often resolve sync or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.